We are pleased to show you the 2018 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 400 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, sports suspension, remote engine start, fog lights, power brakes, rollover protection system. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.